Hi guys, this is how a blizzard looks like. You can see behind me. This is like minus 23 right now, and it's like extreme weather conditions in Canada. So if you're planning to visit to Canada during winters, this is how it actually looks like. So you can see, oh, this is amazing. Hi, good morning folks. So this is the day after the storm has passed. Luckily we didn't have any much major damage or any kind of that. We did receive a good amount of snowfall, anything between 25 to 40 centimeters of snow. Let me show you around like how it looks after the storm, like how much snow that we got dumped by. You can see the amount of snowfall that we received today and even yesterday. So that's almost like 2 centimeters of snow that we received, and that's a good amount of snow. Just to show you around. So you can see that the driveway has been cleared. So there's actually no snow on the driveway. You can see that there's no actually snow on the driveway. So that's because we have maintenance services to clear out for the main driveway. So somebody actually comes up and clears all the snow in the driveway. However, the deck of the house has to be actually cleared by us, so that I'll show you later on. But I'll show you how the driveway of it's cleared. So it was cleared twice, once in early morning today, and now it's just like 1 hour before they come with a tractor and clear it out and they blow out all the snow. So that is how. And I think the weather is really good as well. I may probably take a screenshot as a drone shot as well. So let me start the scene. So I'm now standing at the deck of the house. You can see this is the deck of the house, and let me show you how much snow that we received at the deck of the house today. So today now we are just going to clear the deck of the house. So you can see that there's a lot of snow here. So I've got my shovel on, so let's get shoveling. thing to be very careful about shoveling is you have to make sure that you don't step on any slippery surface, so you don't actually fall down. So it's very careful to see where you're standing and how you're actually lifting the snow. Finally, the deck has now been cleared, so you can see. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the drone shot. So the objective of me actually making this video is just to explain and demonstrate like how the winters in Canada is, because I get a lot of questions from everyone, including my friends and relatives, like how the winters are in Canada. So I've taken a small attempt and just to make a small video just to explain like how the Canadian winters are in general and what we do in generally in order to, so it's not as bad. I personally enjoy the winters very much. I enjoy the snow. So that's how it is, and hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for your time. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.